All right, let's dive right in. When you're picking an air purifier, you're actually choosing between two totally different ways of thinking. It's not just about the tech, it's a real showdown. Slick, smart convenience on one side and pure, raw power on the other. So, let's get into it.
So let's start with the big question, the one you really need to ask yourself. What matters most to you when it comes to the air in your home? Are you all about that easy life, controlling everything from an app on your phone with a machine that's super quiet? Or do you just want a beast of a machine that absolutely destroys smells and germs, no questions asked?
Okay, so let's introduce our contenders. And I want you to think of them as more than just, boxes that clean air. They really are the champions of two very different approaches to getting that perfect air quality at home.
So, stepping into the ring first, we've got the Levoit Core 400S. You can think of this one as the smart, silent assistant. It's the kind of device that's made for the modern smart home. It looks good, it's super smart, and it's designed to just blend right into your daily routine without you even noticing.
Yeah, the Levoit is all about that smart connected life. You've got Wi-Fi control right from the VeSync app on your phone. You can tell it what to do using Google Assistant or Alexa. It's even got this cool AirSight Plus auto mode that uses a laser to detect dust. It is the absolute definition of a set-it-and-forget-it machine. And of course, it's got that H13 True HEPA filter inside its sleek 360-degree design.
Now check this out. This is a huge deal for a lot of people. In its sleep mode, the Levoit is only 24 decibels. I mean, what does that even mean, right? Well, it's literally as quiet as a whisper. If you're a light sleeper, or if you just can't stand humming appliances, this one number is a total game changer.
Okay, but it's not all perfect, right? Nothing ever is. When you look at what users say, two things pop up pretty consistently. First, the cost of replacing the filters can add up. And second, the app, the heart of its smart features, can sometimes be a little finicky and lose its connection. It's kind of the price you might pay for all that high-tech convenience.
All right, now let's turn to the other corner, the Winix 5502. And folks, this thing is a completely different animal. If the Levoit is the smart assistant, the Winix is the powerful, no-nonsense workhorse. It was built to do one job and do it really, really well. Clean the air with maximum force.
So what's under the hood of this one? Well, there's a reason people call it the odor monster. Its power comes from its almost industrial-level cleaning, fantastic odor control from a beefy carbon filter, and its signature PlasmaWave technology. Oh, and get this, that carbon filter is washable. That's a big deal, because it means you're going to spend less money on it over time.
So this PlasmaWave thing, it's pretty much the Winix's secret weapon. The Levoit doesn't have anything like it. Instead of just trapping stuff, PlasmaWave goes on the attack. It shoots out positive and negative ions that actively break down nasty things like viruses and bacteria, like on a molecular level. It's a way more aggressive search and destroy approach to air cleaning.
So what's the catch for all that raw power? Simplicity. And I mean, it's not a smart device at all. No Wi-Fi, no app, no talking to Alexa. You got to push the buttons yourself. And another thing people mention is that the PlasmaWave feature, when it's running, can sometimes make a faint little clicking noise.
All right, you've met them both. Now it's time for the main event. Let's put them head-to-head and see how they really compare when you look at the specs.
This table really lays it all out, doesn't it? You can see the whole story right here. The main philosophy: smart convenience for Levoit, raw performance for Winix. Smart features: a big yes for Levoit, a hard no for Winix. Odor control: Winix takes the crown with its special filter. Special tech: you've got Levoit's laser dust sensor against Winix's aggressive PlasmaWave. And the bottom line, your wallet: Levoit's filters cost more over time, while Winix is cheaper to run with its washable filter. And for noise, Levoit is whisper quiet, while the Winix is mostly quiet but has that potential clicking sound.
So the final verdict, which one is it going to be? Look, there's no single best answer here. It's not about which one wins the showdown. It's about which one is the right fit for you. So let's figure that out right now.
Let's make this super simple. The Levoit Core 400S is for you if you love controlling everything with your phone, if you're super sensitive to noise, especially when you're trying to sleep, if you want something that just looks good and blends into your modern decor,
and if your main enemy is just regular dust and allergens, not some crazy, strong smells. On the other hand, the Winix 5500-2 is your champion if your #1 priority is killing strong odors. We're talking pets, smoke, last night's fish dinner. If you want to keep your long-term costs down, if you couldn't care less about having an app, and if you'd rather have industrial-strength cleaning than a pretty design.
So really, it all comes down to this one idea. What does your home need most? Do you want that quiet, smart assistant just humming along in the background taking care of business? Or do you need a powerful guardian, a machine that goes to war against bad smells and germs? It's all about what you value most.
And that brings us to the end. The final question is all yours. Now that you've seen the clash between convenience and performance, which one are you picking to be the hero for your home's air?